Happy Black History Month. Let's talk about my Paw Paw, the singing ice cream man who owned 9 ice cream trucks. Yes, I remember being on the ice cream trucks as a little girl, eating all the strawberry shortcakes I could eat. This is my son and my nephew. That truck looks just like my Paw Paw's truck, so I took a picture by it a couple years back. That's my grandma and my Paw Paw. I went to American Sesh and I got a testimony, okay, because they definitely blessed me in a major way. The host had on an ice cream shirt. Ain't that a sign? I might be attending the ice cream festival in Atlanta. Y'all go ahead and follow me.